YouTube, what's goody? It's your boy Southside Nate, and I'm back with another video. And today's video sponsor is Atoto. What we have here is the Atoto X10 stereo system with the floating head unit. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna get it unboxed, see what we got in here, and then we're gonna get this baby installed and check out all the cool features that it has. Let's get it. Man, it's super cool. Look at the size of this unit. Man. So this the X10. This is the 10-inch screen. I do believe they offer a 12-inch screen in this model too. This baby is massive. Comes with all the installation hardware, harness, all kinds of UBS cable, another UBS cable, a whole bunch of RCAs to be able to connect different things. It'll come with some mounting brackets and stuff. A little tray for double den action. Comes with a SIMS card, triple play data, nano SIM card. Warranty information. Manual with some QR codes. I love them QR codes. Some more hardware. And it even comes with multiple screen protectors. This is the 10.1 inch. Yeah, screen protector, that's cool. This is an antenna for Wi-Fi and 4G internet. And I'm pretty sure this one is probably a GPS. I'm gonna go through the manual and check everything out. But I like the design of it because it look like you can use it as a single den or a double den. You got the little tray for it. Okay. I'm gonna jump off into the instructions, check everything out, see about getting this baby installed. I notice right here on the side too, it got some SD card. It got a USB connector and a slot for an SD card. And on this side is a slot for the SIM card. This baby is sweet. Man. Nice unit. Whole bunch of different connections in the back. Even got DVR connections. This baby is sweet. HDMI, RCA, power source, Wi-Fi, and GPS. On like a single den housing with the floating head. This baby is sweet. I ain't gonna take the plastic off the screen until we install it. Okay, YouTube, it's time to get this baby installed. As y'all see, I was running one of the previous models in here. I believe I put this one in here around 2019, 2020. So I've been running one of these for a while. Now, since I was running the double DIN before, I went with the double DIN setup. The unit does supply all of the hardware for it to be installed as a double DIN unit or a single DIN unit. And as y'all see, I use the tray at the bottom, and the unit will go in the top. Go ahead and got all that out of the way. Now all I gotta do is connect the wires and slide it in, and 2 mounting screws go on the top of it right there. I'll show y'all once I slide it in. Now I already connected the harness. This is the part that'll connect to the vehicle. This is the part that'll connect to the screen. As you see, everything is soldered and hit with a heat shrink. It's real good. Only thing ones that's not connected is the ones I'm not going to connect now, like the all of this is the steering wheel stuff and the screen, rear cam and steering wheel. So I gotta take this back off right quick so I can access the harness in the back there. Then I cut y'all back on. Let's get it. Alright, got that out the way right quick. As you see, this is the harness right here. So I'll go ahead and connect this. And that way I feed this through the other part. Sit that down there. Yep. And that come up, connects to the head unit. Two connectors that you gotta connect at the bottom. I almost forgot that. Okay, you can see I got all the harnesses sticking out that I need to connect to the back of the unit. So I'm gonna go ahead and connect everything, and then we're gonna slide the unit in there. See how this baby performs. It's the main harness right there. Alright, got that connected. Let's get the microphone connected. I got a couple of USB cables I need to connect. One connected. Two connected. I'll come back in and connect the DVR and the three-way once I get all that situated. So I got the mic connected. I got the main power connected, the speakers and everything, the mic, and two USBs. And now I'm gonna go ahead and connect the antenna, Wi-Fi, and the GPS. Once I get this connected, I'm gonna go ahead and slide the unit in. Push all them other wires back out the way. Alright. Alright, y'all see how the unit going in? And once it get all the way up, these two mounting holes is gonna line up with those two right there. Before we slide it all the way back, let's turn the key, see if we got some action. Prompt external microphone inserted. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Houston, we got action. Alright. As far as she go in, the holes up there line up. See them two holes line up. Mount them and she good to go. Okay, YouTube, as you see, we got this baby fully installed. This is nice. Look good in there too. Got clearance for my AC controls. I can even reach over for the couple of buttons I got right there. There's nothing to re-access them. Plenty of space to turn the car on and off. Man, this thing fits in here perfect. This is sweet. Y'all see I got them 2 bolts in at the top up there. 2 screws. So yeah, she mounted. I ain't gonna let that music go too long. But I gotta connect this baby to the internet. How to get everything connected so I can have internet connected to it. But I'm gonna go through that and I'll cut y'all back on. But yeah, I'm gonna go through, figure that out, then I'll cut y'all back on. But I just been sitting here playing with it. Settings. This baby got a lot to offer. Got YouTube on there. Got maps, got the music app, Netflix, DVR, Google, HDMI. I mean, this baby got some of everything. Look at that. Look at the EQ on that thing. Good. So I inserted the SIM card right there. After I chose my plan, and it's doing a software update. After the software update, we should have internet access to the unit, and we'll go from there. All right, YouTube, I got this baby fully set up. But now I got the internet and everything connected to it. See what can we go to right quick. Okay, we got Netflix up there. I haven't logged into that yet. Check out YouTube. Charger sound good, don't it? But yeah, got YouTube working. I got a log. I tried to log in. I got my password. But yeah, look it up. Old Southside Nate. Boy got 14,000 subscribers. Welcome to all my new subscribers. Oh, that short going crazy. That thing got 44,000 views. Oh yeah, you see this baby got YouTube up here. It got Carplay on my own time, but I just want to show y'all some of the features. It does connect to the phone. I don't want to get no copyright, but for the phone out, hit it. She already connected. I gotta go through, play with my EQ, get it right. I do not have any of the video stuff hooked up, but once I put my dash cam and everything in here, I seen that you should be able to connect your dash cam up to this. So that's something I will be doing in the future. But yeah, man, this head unit is sweet. Once again, shout out to Atoto for sending your boy out this unit. I ran this unit right here for about 7 years. 7 years I ran that unit. And it's go time, man. It's a nice little upgrade for the charger. I mean, massive screen. Yeah. I ain't driving it none. I'm parked. I'm just giving y'all a rundown of some of the features. There will be a link to this product in the description. There also will be a link to their website. Like, yo, this is awesome. You can go through the settings. You can change your screen layout. Home screen. Got different things. It got Carplay. You can connect it to your phone. Like, it's just sweet, man. I gotta sign in. Y'all look at the GPS right quick. But yeah, full GPS on the screen, man. Sweet. This is sweet. Got live wallpapers. Oh yeah, baby, sweet. Not sure what this is. Probably put something else up there. Got the weather up there, the date, the time. This baby sweet. She do got the service. Okay, once again, man, shout out to Atoto for sending me this nice head unit. Like I said, there will be a link to their website in the description. There will be a link to this product in the description. If y'all want to get out there and check them out, feel free. But yeah, once again, man, shout out to Atoto for sending me this nice unit. This is a major upgrade for the charger. Nice big screen. I am highly pleased with it. She's very complex. It got a lot to offer. It's a lot that I still got to figure out on it. But yeah, man, like, share, comment, subscribe. Once again, the links will be in the description to this product. And I'll catch y'all on the next one. I'm out. Peace.